Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a newer RV garage home for a client. It's got side parking, big garage, big backyard. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 1606 Topaz Drive. It's 3 houses off of Lake Havasu Avenue. There's Kentucky Fried Chicken, if you know where that is. It's a nice little area. I don't really see any junk around. Let's go in and check it out. So here's the water boxes and the property line. So there's quite a bit of more room beside the RV parking that you could, cut that back a little bit and terrace it down maybe. It's only money. So it does need the landscaping finished. Got a nice little front courtyard area. Stamped concrete. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2017. 1,550 square feet. It does sit on a pretty big oversized lot. It's listed at 15,682 square feet. Our normal standard lot size is about 10,000 square feet here in Havasu. It's got the plank ceramic tile, nice open living area, tall ceilings. Nice little kitchen setup. This house is on natural gas, so you have natural gas stove, probably the water heater, maybe even the heat pump. So there was a question about road noise being so close to Lake Havasu Avenue. I just closed the door and sat here in silence for a minute and couldn't really hear anything. Can lighting, split floor plan. So you got the one hallway with the indoor laundry and man door to the garage. This looks to be the master. It's got LED can lighting. It's got your slider out to the back door because there'll be a future pool at this house, I'm sure. It also has can lighting, LED can lighting throughout. Got a nice little master bath with dual sinks. You have your walk-in shower with dual heads with the rain head. Got your walk-in closet. So you have the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. This is bedroom number 2 at the back of the house. Also has can lighting, all LED. Super clean. So this house must have been very gently used because it still shows as brand new. You have a hall closet and your guest bath. All granite. So you have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. It also has a slider out to the front courtyard area. Super, super clean. So you have the indoor laundry and man door to the garage area. So this has your standard 2-car garage with an 8-foot door and 23-foot bay. Also has the can lighting. You have your water heater that is on natural gas, by the way, your soft water loop and all your connections for irrigation and RO. So this house is for sure just a river house, and why it looks so good. It's just a part-time little river house. It's got a drive-through bay. This is 49 feet with a 14-foot front door. It's listed as double wide RV, which is 20 feet wide. So the drive-through door to the rear is your standard 7-foot. All right, so this has a full-length, oversized patio So again, this sits on a pretty big lot, almost 16,000 square feet. Looks like the rear fence is part of the neighbor's, most likely, but you know, we call it a good neighbor fence. So if you want to put a pool in or something, you would have to measure off your property line and put your own fence in. But if you just have dogs and just want something fenced, this would work perfect. Just noticed that this house also has underground utilities. There's the power box. Little side yard access. Hey guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little walk through the house over here in Topaz. Great house. You know, it's super clean, like it was just built, so probably very lightly used. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you can check out all the original listing pictures and get all the pertinent listing information. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me with any questions. All my direct contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.